Concerns a new virus first detected in China could be brought to the Bay Area.
Yeah, SFO, one of 3 U.S. airports adding extra health screenings for passengers arriving from China. KPIX5's Andria Borba joins us now with those details. Andria?
Well, Ken and Veronica, this includes SFO, JFK in New York, and LAX in Los Angeles. If passengers are exhibiting symptoms of this virus, they will be taken to a local hospital and not their final destination. If you thought customs lines at SFO were bad, they're about to get a little worse, as passengers arriving from Wuhan, China will be screened for novel coronavirus.
Connecting or nonstop passengers from Wuhan would be diverted to a separate area inside the customs facility where they would go through this interview and screening process with CDC officials.
Dr. William Schaffner, an infectious disease specialist from Vanderbilt, says the passengers will fill out a questionnaire and have their temperature taken. He says it's the same type of virus as both the SARS and MERS scares a few years back.
Capable of causing serious lung disease. It's sickened over 40 people so far, 2 of whom have died.
This virus is believed to have originated at a fish market in Wuhan. The screening process at SFO, JFK, and LAX will be complicated, according to Dr. Schaffner, for this reason.
You and I know we're in the middle of influenza season, so flu can give you a little bit of a fever. So nobody knows yet how many people are going to be asked to step aside for further examination.
There are 3 direct flights a week from Wuhan to SFO, each with 150 passengers on board, and a handful of other passengers not flying direct.
At SFO, we think that connecting number is probably about 10 to 25 passengers per day.
The Centers for Disease Control is in charge of the screening. Passengers are both leery of the wait and the virus.
I don't want the virus to affect my family or myself or take time out of people I care about.
It's very important to be able to screen out any type of viruses, especially airborne or anything that's coming into the country. I just wish that we'd figure out a better system to do it.
Now, the first flight from China Southern Airlines into the U.S. under these new guidelines is expected to land at JFK tonight. Another will land here at SFO tomorrow morning around 1 in the afternoon. After that point, the CDC expects to expand this program for about 2 weeks, possibly expanding to 4 more airports across the United States. Live at SFO, Andria Borba, KPIX5.